Alright, you guys, so for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you're not gonna believe how much we made.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
What is going on? It's your boy Skey from Side Hustle Do TV, and today we are back on that hustle. It's another weekend. Last weekend we got $500. Probably not gonna do that this weekend, but we're gonna try. It's Valentine's Day weekend. It's gonna be a big weekend. We're gonna hustle up as much money as humanly, ethically, and morally possible. Let's go! Just completed the first order. It was $5 and some change, I forget. Took me about 10 minutes in total, but now we got another order for $15. It's a double order. It looks like Wingstop and Krispy Kreme. So let's go. We off to a great start. Just dropped that off, bringing the total for about 45 minutes to $20.62. Just dropped up that double order, bringing the total to $37.75. It's not even our number. All right, you guys, we just dropped that off. $49.50 is our total for tonight. We just got a double order for $17, so that'll bring us around $70 for the night. Just dropped off that order, bringing the total for the night $85.41. Not too bad. Just completed another order, bringing our total to $117.41, and we already got another order for $5.25. Let's go. Alright, just got home. We ended up finishing up the night with night number one, $167.41. Alright, it's day number 2. It's a nice yucky day outside, which is good for Doordash because people don't like to drive. Today is also Valentine's Day, so I'm expecting a good day. I got home probably like 3 a.m. last night, 3:30 maybe, and I'm gonna start my dash roughly around 11. I'm gonna try to do about 12 hours, 11 to 11, 11 to 12, maybe 13 hours, and we'll see what we can get to round out the week because you only get paid from until Sunday. So anything after midnight tonight will be on next week's paycheck. So we won't be counting that. All right, we just dropped that order off. It was $13.66. First order of the day. We just immediately after dropping it off got an $18 order. You guys, the roads are slick, which is good for me because that means less dashers are gonna be out here. The peak pay is up right now. Look, dude, I'm fine. Like, the roads are fine. Look at this. The roads are fine, y'all. They are a little slick, but all you gotta do is just drive slower, brake easy. Don't lock your brakes because you will slide. That's it, just drive slower. Just dropped that off. We're up to $31, just getting started. And we immediately got another $12 order. So let's go. Just dropped that off, bringing the total to $43.66. And immediately after that, I already got a double order for $17. Let's go. By the way, since my last recording, I got 2 new subscribers. I just want to take a minute to shout them out. Katia Ferrero, sorry for saying your name wrong, and DeAndre Swatson. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate you guys subscribing. If you're new here and you subscribe and you comment down new subscriber, I will shout you out in my next video. My channel is all about the poor and the middle class and showing you guys practically how to hustle, and not only how to hustle, but how to take that money and how to make it work for you so that you can raise yourself up with hard work and intention up in the classes. I'm about to drop off the second part of this double order here, but I'm just so happy. Like, last week, my account was at $4,900. I've added an additional $470. And look at it, bro. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's profited on its own. over $340 with dividends. On its own, bro, for nothing. I worked my ass off yesterday, and I have yet to eclipse that
Turn left
number
on 13th
yet.
Avenue South.
Now I
then
probably
slide
will.
left onto the I-65 North ramp.
But damn it, I gotta work my ass off to outwork my account, and that's what you want, and that's what I'm trying to teach you guys how to do. You want your money, you want to put your money to work, and man, it will work so hard for you, and that's what I hope. I hope every single week my account, it beats the brakes off of what I'm capable of doing. I want my money to work way harder than I am able to do, and that's what I'm trying to teach you guys how to do too. All right, y'all, just completed another order, bringing the total to $60.62, and we just got the first part of this order. I got another double order. He tipped me $20. And I still have another thing to drop off. Let's go! So our total is $93.06 for the first 3 hours, bro. Comment down the math what that is per hour. I don't know, but it's a lot, fam. It's almost probably $30, $31 is my guess.
1 minus 1 equals.
Equals 35.
No, $29. Just completed another order. We are over $130, y'all. And I just got another order for $9. Just completed another order, bringing the total to $157. And bro, it is only 5:30. 5:30, y'all. That's it, bro. And we just got another order. As soon as I dropped it off, it's just one right after the other. Just as soon as we dropped it off, got another $15 order. So let's go. It has been so busy. So we dropped off that $15 order, and then immediately after we got a $27 order. Just dropped that off, bringing the total to $199 and some change. And now we got another order, $16, $16.75. So after I do this, it'll be roughly $220, $215. All right, y'all. The roads are officially bad. But we gotta keep going for the tube, man. I fell and busted my ass 2 times. But it's okay, man. Cause we're making some. All right, you guys. So for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you're not gonna believe how much we made. $450 just for 2 days.